Since the launch of the TCFD, the Task Force on Climate-Related Financial Disclosures in 2017, the compulsory reporting of climate risk for financial actors has now gained broader adoption to the point of becoming mandatory in several countries for large corporations. However, precise guidance remains limited on both methods and data to support the assessment of forward-looking physical climate risk, and market actors are now asking for a standardization of the TCFD approach. In this demo project, we tackle the climate data issue by defining precise specifications aligned with TCFD recommendations in terms of hazards, emission scenarios, timeframes, or uncertainty evaluation. We then assembled a forward-looking global hazard dataset based on Copernicus Climate Change Service data. To achieve this, we took stock from technical reports and engaged with market actors to co-construct the specifications and test the usability of a first version of a TCFD-aligned hazard dataset that serves as a demonstrator that could now be extended and updated to support TCFD initiatives.